Hey guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and in today's video we want to learn how to create this simple Pixellab text effect. So it's more like the one we did on our previous video, but the difference here is that the text is like it's bent inward. Okay, so in this video I will also teach you how to apply it on your design. Let's open a new canvas, click on OK. So come to this menu here, so come to image size, and to our custom you enable this and come to YouTube channel banner. Okay, that's 16 by 9 frame. So I'll click on OK. So the next thing is to create our gradients. Okay, so move to gradients. This is the gradient we used, but we want to create new one. So the gradient color will be, I need to be fast with this, 22 FF 7C. So when you click on OK, you have this. So then you click on OK. One 148,024. Okay, if you want to get the same result, make sure you do it the way I've did this. Okay, so click on OK and OK. But this is not the color arrangement I used, so I'll flip it. I'll use this menu over here and flip it. So I'll click on OK. So alright, now we have it now. So the next thing is to select a new text here and tap on it, and let's use Pixellab. Let's just type in Pixellab and click on OK. Okay, so the next thing is to come to our size and increase it to 130 will be okay. So, and the font we'll be using is Oliver. We have it here, Oliver Sans Bold Italic, and you click on OK. Okay, so the next thing is to come to our curve and bend it slightly. Okay, so click on OK again. Come to our stroke menu, and when you enable the stroke, then you increase the stroke to 20 something. 22 is okay. So for the stroke, we change it to white and click on OK. Okay, so the next thing is to move to the shadow and enable the shadow. So we need to work on this shadow. So the color code for this shadow, I'm going to type it right now, is 0042. So click on OK and OK. But we don't need this shadow to be too hard on the background, so we need to adjust it a bit and click on OK. So then we need to adjust it. Okay, so something like 40 is okay, and reduce our blur radius. So you can just offset it. Okay, now we'll move back to our 3D text and we enable this 3D. So we'll move, instead of perspective, change it the view type to oblique and reduce the depth to 1. You don't really need it, and are darken to 20. We darken it to 20, okay? So then we need to adjust this, okay, get something close a bit. So the next thing is to come over here, this simulate lighting, you disenable it, and let's adjust this again. So 270 oblique angle is okay. Oh, what's wrong with me? And okay, 269. Let's leave it this way. So the next thing we need to do is to align it. So we need to duplicate this, and we're going to remove everything we've added. Okay, so come to our shadow, our stroke, and okay, the 3D. Okay, so now these are original text, so we need a new color for it. So you come to color gradient, and this is the default gradient, but we need to just flip it. Okay, so once you just flip it, this is the normal gradient. Just come over here and this menu, then you just flip it so you get the same result. Then you click on OK and OK. So then you come to your stroke. When you enable the stroke, you just need to adjust the stroke to something like 5, and come to your gradient. This is the normal gradient we use, and you flip it again. I think you get the logic. This is the normal gradient we used, and we use the flipped one. So you click on OK. So now it's close to what we need, but we need a shadow to make it more realistic. So this is the shadow we used the other time. We can just make it cooler, so click on OK. So to work on the shadow, we just need to move our opacity to 100, our blur radius to 10, and you work on the offset. Let's make this offset of x 1 and the offset of y 9. So click on OK. So now we are having this effect real and simple. So now we need to import our background. I'm sorry, I made a mistake of importing it in the first place, so I'll drop it in the description box for you guys to download. Okay, so this is the background. Then click on 16:9 and click on OK. So you send this to the back and you fit it to frame. So then you just come to opacity and reduce it like so, anything of your taste. So you click on, you lock this. So the application of this text effect. Okay, so to use this text effect, you need to save it first. So to save it, you need to, this is the one below, this white one. So you just come over here, come to your text interface and click on style and click on save. So everything you've added to this text effect is saved, and you move to this one above, this one. So you come to the style and click on save again. So let's save this text. Let's save it. just call it text effect. Let text, okay. So we saved this already. Now we'll come to your project. You just want to use a random design. These are previous design. To do this, you can check the video page. So just come to this worship now and come to your text menu, click on style, click on browse, not save this time around. So you click on browse and this defaults, they click on my style. So this is it, okay, and you come to the other one over here and click on worship. So then click on style again. This is the text above, okay. Click on style again and browse. So then this is it. So just need to adjust it if you want to get that same result. So that is about it, guys. So if you are just joining us over here, you just remember to click on the subscribe button, and guys, tell me how you feel about this video in the comment section. See you guys another time.